The Prestige Pro Series lives up to its name with a myriad of exclusive features, setting it apart from the competition. From top to bottom, the Prestige Pro Series is crafted with the utmost detail and care in mind. The deluxe high-top lift-ease roll-top lid retains heat for convection-style cooking. The control knob features exclusive Jetfire ignition for a quick and easy startup every time. Features such as the heavy-duty rotisserie kit, a rear infrared burner, and stainless steel wave cooking grids contribute to the creation of restaurant-quality food in your own backyard. You can now produce that mouth-watering meat with all of the moisture and flavor that you crave from a high-end steakhouse. No reservation required, using the infrared sizzle zone side burner. The Prestige Pro Series not only creates amazing meals, it contributes to the party atmosphere. Stainless steel side shelves have an integrated ice marinade bucket and a cutting board to ensure that everything you may need is at your fingertips. Night light control knobs and interior lights allow for entertaining long into the night. You can even turn your grill into a smoker using the integrated wood chip smoker tray. The Prestige Pro Series consists of 3 models: the Pro 825, Pro 665, and Pro 500, as well as built-in models. These grills are truly gourmet kitchens, as they feature soft closing doors and offer many seasonal accessories, including the Himalayan salt platter set, professional chef's knife, 2-in-1 spatula tong, stainless steel multifunctional grill topper, and stainless steel 12-inch wok. You can rest easily knowing that no matter how much entertainment your grill provides, the premium stainless steel construction, including the long-lasting heavy-gauge tube burners and sear plates, will allow you to grill for years to come. Our President's Limited Lifetime Warranty guarantees it.